Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Lore of English Literature YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the difference between alliteration and consonance. In this video we will talk about the difference between consonance and alliteration. When you see the definition of both these terms in the dictionary, then you will find that they both mean the same thing, that is the repetition of consonant sound. But there is a slight difference between them. Let's find out. When we talk of alliteration, then it means the repetition of consonant sound at the beginning of words. The consonant sound has to repeat one time or two times or more than two times. In the below example, look before you leap. Now you can see that L has been repeated twice and is at the beginning of words like look and leap. So this is alliteration. When we talk of consonance, so it also means the repetition of consonant sound. But now the repetition would be at the end of the words. Just see the examples below. For and jar and sent and went. In for and jar, you see R has been repeated and is at the end of both the words. In the same way in sent and went, T has been repeated and is at the end of both the words. So this is consonance. Well, this is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching this video.